Alright, in this video we will learn how to take some zeros that we're given and write a polynomial that would have these zeros. So first of all, you have to recognize that there is another zero involved here. Imaginary zeros always occur in pairs. So if I give you 3i, then negative 3i is also going to be a 0. So we really have 4 of these. So if I turn this back into factors, then what we would have would be x plus 4, okay, from this one. Now I could write x minus 0, but x minus 0 is really just x, so I don't need the 0 part. And then, let's see, I'm going to do these in pink. For the 3i, I could write x minus 3i, and for the negative 3i, I could write x plus 3i. So what I need to do is multiply all these together and see what I get. So I'm going to do the imaginary part first. Alright, but I'm trying to do it off to the side here. So if I do, alright, I'm doing x minus 3i times x plus 3i. If I double distribute this, then I've got x times x, that's x squared. X times 3i is 3ix. And then when I distribute down here, negative 3i times x is negative 3ix. Negative 3i times positive 3i is negative 9i squared. Now positive 3ix and negative 3ix cancel each other out. So now I've got x squared. Now I squared is negative 1. So this is really negative 9 times negative 1. So that's going to give me a positive 9. Wow, I've seen this like 3 or 4 times on this test, like over and over again. Anyway, so I've got x squared plus 9. So that's going to be what you get if you multiply out the pink part. Now the blue part, so I've got x plus 4 times x over there. And I'm just going to move it over here a bit. X plus 4 times x is the same thing as x times x plus 4. So really all I have to do is the distributive property. So this is going to give me x squared plus 4x. So now I just need to double distribute here. So if I do x squared times everything, x squared times x squared is x to the 4th power. X squared times 9 is 9x squared. Okay, now I'm going to do the 4x times everything. 4x times x squared is 4x to the 3rd power. 4x times 9 is 36x. So I'm just going to recopy this in standard form because these are sort of backwards right here. Alright, I'm just going to swap these two, that's all. So I will have x to the 4th power plus 4x to the 3rd power. And then 9x squared plus 36x. And that's how you make a polynomial when you're given some zeros.